Sapthora online guitar classes, and through this video I, Mr. Davidson, am going to demonstrate to you the correct seating posture and also the correct way to hold your guitar. It's a very important thing to learn right from the beginning. So please watch carefully and follow this video. The correct seating arrangement should be a flat stool or a long bench or even a chair, but it should not have the side arms. So that's number one. Sit in this posture the way I am sitting. Keep your legs firmly on the floor, facing this way. Make yourself comfortable. And this is your guitar over here. Now the second part is how to lift your guitar into the correct positions. So I am going to keep this guitar from here, this one, on my lap like this. And this is my plectrum. This is my guitar, my right hand and my left hand. And I'll keep my right hand bent over the guitar body like this onto this curve over here. So there's a gap over here, and I'm going to keep this right hand like this, and my left hand, which is free now, I'll keep it under the neck of the guitar. It goes like this over here, and I lift the guitar into position, into the correct position like this, and this curve, the underneath here, this will go and be placed on my right leg thigh like this. Keep the body of the guitar a little bit tilted, pressing on to your chest over here. It is in a little bit of slanting position, and I want you to understand that it should not be too slanted like this. It should be just a small angle, so that the moment you bend down, you can identify your first string, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth strings. That's all. So I'll demonstrate this guitar posture also once again. Once having lifted the guitar from here, I will lift it up like this. Keep the guitar over my legs or over my laps, and my right hand is here, my left hand is over here. I'll keep my right hand placed over onto this curve over here like this, and my left hand, which is free, it will go underneath here, and I lift the guitar this way and keep it on my right leg thigh like this, and this curve of the guitar goes on to the right leg thigh like this, right? So, and after that, the second checklist is keep the guitar a bit slanting so that I can watch my strings very carefully without any bending over and trying to find out. So this is the second thing that I have shown it to you. And keep the neck of the guitar straight. Don't allow the guitar to stoop like this. It's a wrong posture. Never bend like this in your posture also. Keep it straight like this. And after keeping the body and the neck of the guitar straight, this is your right hand arm. And that's my elbow. That's my elbow. And I keep my elbow over the body of the guitar like this. Once again, my right hand arm, my elbow, and I keep it over the body of the guitar like this, so that I have a free swing with my right hand. I swing it very freely. And after this, you have to once again see that you are comfortable, right? So I'll again give a quick recap without me saying anything. My guitar, place it over here like this, my right hand, and then this is my left hand. Turn it, keep it here like this, tilt it in such a way you're seeing all the strings, 1 to 6. Now my neck of the guitar is straight. My right hand elbow, place it over the body of the guitar so that I swing my right hand very freely across in this way. That's all for you in this free demo video from Sapthora online guitar classes. Thank you.